Hello everyone, hope you are all doing great. So today I'm here with a biology question. It is coming from 2025 paper 2 GCE section B question 2. So I'm going to talk about how you can handle biology essay question. Question reads, part A of question 2 says, explain the functions of different parts of the male reproductive system. So let's handle first this question. So it says, explain the functions of the different parts of the male reproductive system. So you have to look at the marks given to the particular question. So this question has 8 marks. 8 marks. So 8 marks, what they're trying to tell you is that in biology, if you're given 8 marks and it's an essay, then at least you have to give 4 parts and then with an explanation, so you get your full 8 marks. So one part gives you 1 mark, then when you explain, it gives you another mark, so you get your 2 marks completely. So for this question, explain the functions of the different parts of the male reproductive system. They haven't given us the number of parts that we should explain, but any different parts. So for me, I will do a graph sketch of the diagram itself so that we identify all the parts. Don't laugh. This is a freestyle. Yeah, so it looks something like this, right? Then it goes like this. Then here we have, I won't mention the parts yet. Yeah, then we have something like this. Then here we have like a tube which runs somewhere here to meet up with this part here. Then we have what's inside here. Then we have something like this. Yeah, then another tube passes like this, something like this. Then we have the gland here. Yeah, so these are the most important parts. So starting with this, what's this part? Well known, penis, right? Yeah, so this is a penis. This one, scrotum, right? So scrotum covers the what? Testis. Then here we have epididymis. Do you know what I used to call this? In my time, I used to call it epididymis. Yeah, though funny it is, but yeah, biology just have to know the spelling. Doesn't matter the way you pronounce it. So this is urinary bladder. Yeah, so we have the bladder there. Then somewhere here we have the prostate gland. Then this tube, it is the urethra. Yeah, then this one, sperm duct. All right. So just having this simple diagram with few parts. Now let's identify the function of each. What's the function of the penis? So function of the penis is to deposit sperm into the vagina. So we have identified the function of the penis. What's the function of the scrotum? Function of the scrotum to maintain the temperature for the testis. Yeah, so the testis, they have a specific temperature that they operate well at because they produce sperms. So now they have a certain temperature away from the body temperature. So the scrotum helps to maintain that temperature. What's the function of the testis? Already said, produce sperms. What's the function of the epididymis? So you see, the testis then is the epididymis. So the epididymis is just to store sperms. So when this produces, this is just like a machine. When the testes produce the breed store, then the scrotum just maintains the temperature so that there can be production of this urinary bladder, production of urine, or stores urine. Yeah, let's just say stores urine, because if we say production of urine, we are going to the kidney. So urinary stores urine. Okay, then what else? Urethra passage. It is just a passage of sperms and urine. So as you can see, so this is where it is more like a tube. It's a passage. That's all. So each part explains itself. Prostate gland, which is a gland here under the bladder. So the prostate gland is just there to nourish the sperms and to protect the sperms from harmful substance or any damage. Yes, so those are the functions of these different parts of the male reproductive system. So now let's go to the second question. So the second question, it talks about as we can see there, it talks about the puberty changes that occurs in females. So what are those puberty changes which we see in females? So the menstrual cycle or cycle. So menstrual cycle, so this start menstruation, right? Development of the breast. So this is the first sign during puberty changes in female. So development of breast, also widening of hips, yeah, which we usually see. Also growth of pubic hair. So we can see hair under the arms, etc. Alright, so hope you have enjoyed and you have learned something. Let's keep on watching and waiting for more videos.